Is this the outbreak's gravest moment? Beyond the lines of ambulances, an answer in the testimony of those who confront its horrors every day.
Just the sheer number of people who are coming in and are sick enough that they might die. There are a significant number of people who die with extreme distress, so breathless that they are panicked and calling out, reaching out, and that is probably the hardest part of what we've been seeing.
England's chief medical officer warns that the NHS in some parts of the country is currently facing the most dangerous situation anyone can remember. If the virus continues on this trajectory, says Chris Whitty, hospitals will be in real difficulties and soon. The time people wait for care will continue to increase to potentially unsafe levels. There will be avoidable deaths. As ever more hospital resources are devoted to the pandemic, there's less for everything else.
It's very hard to hear the word that you've got cancer. Excuse me.
Surgery to deal with Stephanie's early-stage breast cancer had to be cancelled on New Year's Eve.
You gear yourself up to have an operation, and then to be told it's not going to happen is devastating. It's scary.
Today, the government said another 563 people had died within 28 days of testing positive for the virus. And while it's resisting calls from some scientists to introduce a more severe lockdown, it's doubling down on the old messages, hoping the public will continue to do their bit to help the health service.
It is working harder than it's ever worked before, and we can all do something to help, which is to stay at home. Because every time you try to flex the rules, that could be fatal.
7 mass vaccination centres are due to open tomorrow, and the government hopes all adults will have been offered a jab by the autumn. In the first weeks of 2021, though, the virus presents as potent a threat as ever. Tonight, several hospitals in Northern Ireland have asked all off-duty staff to come in because of the pressure they're under. Things will get better, but not yet. Geraint Vincent, ITV News.